Hello and welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to integrate with a payment recovery provider. Payment recovery providers like FlexPay use AI and machine learning models to recover failed payments. Previously, direct-scale clients who processed AutoShips had retry rules programmed to run failed AutoShip orders and capture the funds. Now, with payment recovery enabled, anytime an AutoShip order fails, the order information is sent to FlexPay, who then returns a recommended retry date. All AutoShips are automatically retried based on the date provided by FlexPay, meaning you no longer need custom AutoShip retry rules programmed in the client extension. However, payment recovery is merchant-specific, with Nexio being the only current option. FlexPay will only retry orders processed by Nexio. Other orders processed by, for example, Auth.net, will not have any retry dates from FlexPay. This allows for flexibility in using more than one merchant for your AutoShips. So, if you have multiple merchants, you will still need programmatic retry rules for any who are not Nexio. So first, let's demonstrate the FlexPay process. An AutoShip order fails. The system sends the AutoShip data to FlexPay. Then, FlexPay sends either the next run date or a do not retry status. Next, the system stores the recommended date and waits for the next AutoShip retry run. After that, the next AutoShip retry run looks at the order number and retry date. Then it determines if the retry date is today. If so, the order is processed again. If not, it's skipped. And finally, if the retry is successful, the system notifies FlexPay. If the retry is unsuccessful, we'll start the process again from step 1. If a successful payment gets refunded, FlexPay is notified to reverse any success charges to your account. Before you start setting up your integration, integrate with Nexio as your payment processor if you haven't already. Then, set up an account with FlexPay. You'll need to obtain your API key from FlexPay. Additionally, FlexPay has a portal with which you should become familiar. This portal works as a reporting hub, among other things, and will list all transactions that have passed through FlexPay and their status. One of the elements that FlexPay requires to integrate with them is a report on your past 6 months of AutoShip orders to get a baseline for their AI. Conveniently, DirectScale provides such a report for this very purpose in Corporate Admin. Navigate to the Reports Custom Reports page. Locate the FlexPay 6-month baseline report. Select the report, and then click Export. Then provide FlexPay with the exported CSV file. This feature is not available to all by default. As a reminder, any who want to use FlexPay with DirectScale must be integrated with Nexio as a payment processor and must set up an account with FlexPay. If both of these statements are true, contact customer care and request to enable payment recovery. Once enabled, you'll see a new page under the Administration section named AutoShip Payment Recovery. We'll use this page in just a bit, but first let's configure some settings. After you set up your account with FlexPay, they'll provide you with an API key. Enter this key in Corporate Admin to tie your FlexPay account with DirectScale. Navigate to the Administration Advanced Settings AutoShip Payment Recovery page. Here, enter the provided API key. Additionally, there are some optional settings you can enable. First, the Cancel AutoShip Orders after Do Not Retry status receipt, which will cancel AutoShip orders if the FlexPay returns a Do Not Retry status. If enabled, the order will be voided and will not appear in the order history. The other setting is Send AutoShip Emails, which sends an email to the associate if their AutoShip payment fails to process. When finished, click Save Changes. Navigate to the Administration AutoShip Payment Recovery page. Click the Nexio dropdown and select FlexPay. When finished, click Save Changes. Now, all failed AutoShips that use Nexio as the payment processor will get retry dates back from FlexPay. Thanks for watching. For more articles and videos, visit the Help Center at help.directscale.com.